Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So this is a quick update for those of you that participated in the Dogs Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So if you claimed your dogs using Telegram wallet, go and check your wallet for your dogs allocation. So for those of you that selected Telegram wallet or wallet in Telegram as your means of withdrawal, what you need to do is to visit your wallet in Telegram to check your dogs allocation. This is how to check your dogs allocation for those of you that use wallets in Telegram. So what you just need to do is to open your wallet, then you click on more assets. So after clicking on more assets, what you just need to do is to bring it down. Then you're going to see dogs. Then you're going to see your dogs allocation. So this update is mainly for those of you that use wallet for your dogs allocation. So this is how to check your dogs allocation for those of you that use wallet in Telegram as your means of dogs withdrawal. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.